Hey, it's Leah, and today I wanted to talk about a program where you can make $100 a sale. And this is an opportunity to where you just share a phone number, a simple phone number, and get people to opt in. This program already has the phone number set for you, already has the landing pages, opt-in pages already done for you, and an autoresponder that goes out for you. So here I just wanted to let you know my name is Leah Fike. I'm definitely here to assist you with the process and show you how to get started with this simple program. Today I wanted to go over and show you what the new updates are and let you know what's changing. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this program is called Abundance Network, and here's a new update. This is March 24th that I'm doing this recording. So it says, hello everyone, I hope you're doing well, safe, staying safe and sane in the chaotic world right now, because if you know at this time frame, the virus has been going around, everybody is required to stay at home and have that quarantine. So, some of the other things that are going on in the world, there's definitely earthquakes going on. So if you didn't know, the place I live in, Salt Lake City, Utah, got struck by a 5.7 earthquake earlier this week. We're all blessed that it wasn't stronger and more devastating. However, it doesn't negate the stress, fear, and overwhelm experienced during that time. So not only did he have the virus going around, but also there's been earthquakes going on. So it's definitely been a crazy world this 2020. Needless to say, that rocked everyone's world here literally for a few days. Wow, isn't it strange? Earthquakes, viruses, and a whole lot of fear. So you can read some of this if you'd like, but I'd like to go down to Abundance Network. And he says that he's been in the lab and he's working on more on how to creating solutions. So you deserve it, you need it, it's coming, and you also won't be charged an extra for it. So super excited to see some of these new changes come through and how easy it is to promote this program with a simple number. So I'll show you that here in a minute. There's zero admin fee required on the front end for now, and it's just a one-time 100 setup fee plus the minimum $10 usage fee. And it's just so much easier to explain if you wanted to promote this product. That will get people access to Ava, where they can create unlimited custom keywords and use Ava to attract to their primary business. So if you have other businesses, this is a great way that you can promote that also. And let's see here. Ava is for people who just want to use custom words and basic functionality and software. Ava Plus is for people who want a customization and money. So Ava cost $100 plus the $10 in usage, and that's for the texting, and pays $100 one time directly to the payment method of your choice that's currently works. So as you can see right here, you'll get paid $100 one time every time that you make a sale. So say you make $200 a day, and $200 a day would actually be $67,000 a year. Wouldn't $200 a day, 7 days a week, really help out you and your family at this time frame? So I really want to help you out in getting started. Also, everyone will pass up their second sale. So your second sale, as you grow that team, that's almost a residual income. As you continue to grow, that second sale will pop up also. So not even counting those sales and just doing 2 sales a day on your own would be a great way to grow and expand everything. So here I can definitely tell you more. You can read through this. He mainly went through the panic of life right now. So we definitely want to get focused and make money. So by the time 3.0 goes live, all of your owed usage and credits, so if you've been on his webinars or anything, he's allowed to get additional usage credits. So all that will be coming. So new updates going on right now, and I would love to help you get started. So let's go ahead and jump over to Abundance Network and see what that looks like. All right, so I just jumped into the back office of Abundance Network. So when you go ahead and jump in, you'll automatically go ahead and see this dashboard. It's all here for you. Here it'll give you the breakdown, and here's the phone number you call, 386-518-0202. This is also my funnel, so you can definitely check that out also. It'll be down below. But here you can go through and see all of your information and recent people that have opted in down below. I'm not going to show all that because it has their personal information, but this does allow you to see all that data. Right here is your videos. So the videos are already done for you. And this is so you can learn more about the product. Here's your setup guide so that you can get set up correctly. And it's super simple and easy, so complete the profile. Here you can make sure it's checked and set up your payment methods. And then any pending payments, marketing and resources. Right here, some email swipes for you. If you'd like to use the email swipes, they're right here in here. Here's some make money ones and generating leads. So it gives you everything right in this section to help you out with marketing. And there's a social media post right here if you wanted to just add those. Also, here's the lead center. So it'll have your leads, my Ava, and my team, and lead rewards. Let's jump on my Ava. So Ava is going to do what you want it to do. So when you call 386-518-0202, you'll see how it's set up. And then you can go ahead and do your setup. So here's my number, and then here's my custom keyword. I don't know if I updated that yet. And it looks like if you want more than one keyword, you just upgrade to the master seller package. So here I'm just going with one keyword, and as it contains this, it will just automatically put out this message. Here is the finished information and just let you know that it is successful. You can call your phone number and test it out and just go through the process, see what others are going through. So it's a really simple, easy system, and it allows you to just share this phone number. We know on a lot of social media that doesn't like other links because it doesn't want you to leave their page. So if you add a phone number for people to contact or call and be able to share multiple businesses with just a phone number, how simple can that be? This is perfect for drop cards, business cards, flyers, postcards, anything like that, and it allows people to go through the system, and also you can see them calling the system so that you'd be able to touch base back. So here there's just a little bit more information about Abundance Network. We do have a Facebook group you can jump into as soon as you get in, and if you'd like to know more about the system, just let me know. I'll talk to you soon. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Hi there, my name is Jeff Long, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how you could be set up to have two-way text messaging conversations with all of your customers and prospective customers without you ever having to touch your cell phone. How's this even possible? Meet Ava, your new automated virtual assistant. You're going to love Ava because she's going to save you a ton of time in your business. Now imagine this. You give a phone number to a customer or prospective customer, and when that person calls that number, they hear a message like this.
Hi, and thank you for calling. My name is Ava, and I'm here to guide you to the information you are seeking. In order for me to deliver the information that you're here to get, I need you to press 1 to give me permission to send you automated text messages. After you press 1, I'll send you a quick text message to guide you to the info you're here to get. So press 1 right now and look for a text from me.
And when they press 1, Ava will instantly and automatically send them a text message. She will then ask for their name and hold a real-time, human-like text message conversation with your recipient to lead them to whatever information you want them to have or whatever call to action you want them to take. Now, we realize that asking people to call a phone number isn't always the most convenient thing to do, which is why people can also text your number as well. No matter if people are calling, texting, or opting in on your mobile capture page, you can tell Ava to reply to them however you'd like. Once Ava has performed your desired introductory action, she will then instruct your lead or customer to reply with a keyword or to ask anything they'd like. If she recognizes the keyword, she will send your desired reply for that keyword, which you can quickly and easily customize right within your easy-to-use back office. Pretty incredible, wouldn't you agree? I mean, imagine how much better your life and business will be now that Ava will be doing the following time-saving tasks for you. Automatically delivering information to your leads and customers via text message. Automatically answering questions via text message. Automatically sending you hot, qualified, ready-to-buy leads who aren't going to waste your time, which of course will lead to more traffic, leads, and sales. And you want more of all those things, right? Awesome, then you need to hire Ava today, and in a few moments, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. But before we get to all that, let me show you how quick and easy it is to get your own lead number and set up Ava to your liking. Setting up Ava to work for you in your business can be done in as little as 60 seconds or less. First, you'll need to load up your usage balance with at least $10 worth of usage credits. Usage credits are used to send and receive text messages throughout the entire platform and are billed at 1 cent per incoming and outgoing message. Next, you'll agree to simple terms and conditions, and with one click of the mouse, the system will assign you a phone number. Simply tell Ava where to send text message notifications to you so you'll always know what's happening with each lead in real time. Last, you're going to create your keyword. Keywords are how you program Ava to automatically reply to your leads and customers based on specific words or phrases they might use in their text messages. In this example, we're going to create the keyword info, and we will also have Ava look for the words details and learn more. Now we want Ava to recognize our keyword no matter if it's used in a sentence or on its own. So for this example, we're going to set the rule accordingly to make sure it's picked up if it's used in a sentence. And then you simply type in your desired text response. Now, let's watch Ava in action as she interacts with this prospect. Your prospect can start their interaction with Ava either by calling or texting your assigned phone number. If your prospect is calling your phone number, they'll be instructed to press 1 on their phone's keypad, at which point Ava will instantly and automatically send them a text message. If Ava does not know the name of your prospect, she will ask them for it so that she may personalize the messages. Once she has captured the name of your prospect, she will then invite them to reply with their desired keyword. If they're interested in learning how to put Ava to work for them in their business, they can simply reply with the word video to receive a personalized link to this exact presentation. Ava will then capture and confirm their email address automatically for you and send them an email with a link to this presentation that you are watching right now. Since you have Ava looking for the words info, details, or learn more, she is going to pick up the word info in your prospect's reply and then instantly deliver your desired text response. You can even ask Ava to notify you anytime your keyword is triggered, thus allowing you to create verified phone leads for whatever business you want. If for any reason your prospect has a question that Ava cannot answer, she will instruct them to reply with the word help, at which point she will gather the question from your prospect and then instantly deliver it to you via text message, as well as recording a record of it in your back office. You can log into your back office at any time to not only view all the important contact details of your lead, but you can also monitor the real-time text message conversation your prospect is having with Ava. And with one click, you can easily pause Ava so that you may have a one-to-one live text message chat with your prospect to answer their questions and get them closed. Each of your replies are instantly delivered to your prospect's mobile phone, as well as being logged and recorded so you can always see what was said. Your prospect can reply directly to you right from the text message conversation they're having with Ava without having your personal phone number. There's a lot more powerful features that Ava can perform for you, so come on in, put Ava to work for you today, and start saving a ton of time while making more money in your business. So, is the light bulb starting to go off for you yet? Are you starting to think about all the fun and profitable possibilities for your business that Ava now offers? Well, believe it or not, and definitely not to sound like this guy, but there's more. Not that Ava can't handle her own with your leads and customers, because she certainly can. But there's just some things that are better left to us humans, right? Well, That's why we've made it so that you can monitor each and every text conversation Ava is having with your leads and customers. And if there's anything you want to say to them, you have the ability to pause Ava and have a two-way text conversation with your leads and customers, so you can add that human touch and assist Ava with anything she may not be able to answer. Now you or your sales team and Ava can work together to answer questions and close sales, all via text message. Now, you may be asking, why should I even care about being able to text my leads and customers, and what's the big deal? Here's a few eye-opening facts about text message marketing that just might help answer that question. SMS messages have a whopping 98% open rate. So not only is SMS quick and easy to set up, but customers also like receiving and reading them. 90% of SMS messages are read within 3 minutes. So people are not only just reading your SMS messages, they're reading them almost as soon as you send them. SMS open rates are nearly 5 times that of email. In other words, when you send text messages, recipients actually read them. And that's a good start, right? You see, SMS marketing statistics show companies that aren't sending marketing or promotional text messages to their potential customers might be losing out on substantial revenue. So, now do you get it? Hopefully you can see now that being able to automatically text your leads and customers like you can now with the help of Ava is a big deal. And if you're not currently doing it, you're losing a lot of money. So I'm sure at this point you're ready to click that Join Now button and hire Ava, but you just need to know one more thing. How much does Ava cost? Well, her cost is actually pretty crazy. Crazy cheap, that is. You can put Ava to work for you today for only $197. You'll pay a one-time setup fee of $100 to the reseller who invited you here, and then an annual support and maintenance fee of only $97 to our company for bringing you all of this awesome time-saving stuff. Now, I'm sure you'll agree that less than $200 is quite a ridiculously low price to be paying for all of the value that Ava will bring to your life and business, not to mention all of the time she's going to save you. And you can't really put a value on that, right? So click the Join Now button you see here on this page, create your account, and complete your required payments. Once you take those simple steps, you'll be able to get your own lead number and put Ava to work for you almost instantly. Now, I'm sure you'll agree that having AI technology like Ava working for you in your business to save you a ton of time is a good idea. So click the Hire Ava button, create your account, and follow the simple instructions for making your required payments. Oh, and hey, before you go, you should probably know that Ava can also make you a ton of money if that's something you're interested in. Yeah, she's actually paid out over $500,000 to our resellers and continues to pay them day after day. So if you want to learn how you can get paid $100 instantly and directly for every lead number and copy of Ava you sell, be sure to check out the details of our lucrative reseller program by clicking the button you see here on this page. Either way, your leads and customers are waiting for you to contact them via text message, and now you can. So put Ava to work for you right now and enjoy all of the extra time she's going to give back to you in your life and your business.